Gauteng is one of South Africa's most highly populated provinces. Emissions per journey are among the highest in the world, raising the urgency to move towards greener transport options.
In the next 10 years, we are really going to go through quite a transformation. We have to move towards, firstly, reducing travel. Secondly, looking at the hybrid models where we can put biofuels or LP gas with a diesel to reduce the emissions, but then going towards hydrogen and going towards electric.
The province is home to one of the country's best commuter trains. The Gautrain operates alongside some of Johannesburg's main arterial highways, congested with fuel-driven passenger and commercial vehicles.
If you look at the number of cars that are parked at Gautrain station, it tells you already we have moved a huge step in reducing congestion on our road. If those cars were to flock back onto the road, there will be no movement, it will be gridlock. So in terms of migration of passengers to rail, we're doing very well.
More eco-friendly systems are already being introduced into the public sphere. Alstom is part of a consortium building electric trains for the African market.
So the train itself, there is no emissions. Of course, it gets its energy from the grid, which is mostly fossil in a South African context. And that's why we are continuously talking to our customers to look at hydrogen, which has zero carbon emissions. And we think that will be the future of mobility globally.
Gauteng is also the economic hub of South Africa. A high fleet of trucks and commercial vehicles flow to and from the province every day.
If you look at the geolocation of South Africa in relation to our trading partners, they are very far, and we are also a connection to the neighboring states, to many African states. We are looking at the N3, for example, which is one of the high-capacity roads. And we want to look at, shouldn't we decarbonize that corridor and be able to introduce smart solutions in that area?
200,000 people flock to Gauteng every year in search of work and economic opportunities. Along with growing climate risks, it's placing huge demands on the province's roads and transport network. A comprehensive strategy is being drawn up to decarbonize the sector and reduce the country's emissions footprint. Julie Shara, CGTN, South Africa.